Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing a cup of coffee to celebrate Father's Day. So let's get started. To draw this cute cup for Dad, let's first start by drawing a thin oval for the top of our cup. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve all the way across. So a nice big cup. So we'll come to the corners right here and we're going to make it a little bit sharper. And same thing here. And then once again, now that we have that, let's go ahead and just draw the same curve as the top all the way across to create our oval. There. So your goal is just to make it a little bit thinner towards the edges. So now that we have this oval in, let's go ahead and come to the sides. And we're going to draw an angle line down. So it's all up to you how tall you want to make your cup. So I'm just going to go ahead and just bring an angle line down. Take a look, say maybe a little bit more. To about right there. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to take a look at my other side, just try my best to match it, but it's for Dad, and I'm sure he doesn't care if his cup is not perfect. So we're just going to go, just take a look. Just keep going. And let's see here, a little bit more. Almost there. And about right there. Now that we're the same level, let's go ahead and we're going to connect it. So I'm going to come right here, round it off a little bit, and just draw another curve all the way across. There. Okay, so the hardest part is done. Draw this cup right here. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're going to come back to the top right here and we're going to draw another curve just for some indication of some liquid in our cup. So just kind of follow your top curve. So depending on what your dad loves to drink, that's the color you would color this part right here. A little bit wider. Okay, there. Then let's go ahead and draw a handle. So let's say about right here. We're going to go ahead and just draw a big curve coming down. Nice strong handle. And bring it to about right there. And let's come in and just thicken it up. So just follow whatever curve you drew. There. Okay, so we have our cup in. Now to make it a Draw So Cute cup, right? So let's come back into this space about right here. And then we're going to draw a big circle for some eyes. Oops. So I got one circle in, come right across about right here. And draw another big circle. There. And now that we have that, let's come back in here with two small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. Then from there, let's come above each eye. We're just going to draw a soft curve. And let's draw a mustache for Dad, right? So I'm going to find my center about right here. I'm going to come down to about this point, and I'm going to draw a curve and then curve it up. And I'm going to round this part up and connect for our mustache. And let's do the same thing on the other side. Let's curve and then round it off. and connect. And then in between, we're just going to draw a soft curve for a smile. There. Then from there, I thought it'd be really cute to spruce this cup up and give it some decoration. So I'm going to come about right here. I'll just drag a point across so it's just easier for me to see where I'm going. And I'm going to draw another soft curve, kind of following my bottom all the way across. And then let's come over here and I'm going to find my center once again. So it's about right here. And I'm going to draw triangle in this space. So it's the collar. I'm going to draw a tie for Dad, or you can put a bow tie out here. It's all up to you. And let's come in between and finish up our tie. So connect that, and then we're just going to draw 2 angle lines down, just so we know it's a tie. There. And then that is pretty much it for our drawing. And then now I thought it'd be really extra cute if we made it look like some steam, but in a heart shape. So if you want to do that, let's come about right here, the center. And I'm going to come up and let's see here, about right here. Going off the page, I'm going to come about right here and just draw a very whimsical heart. Just curve and bring it down. So a line. So hopefully it just looks like steam. And then I'll come in here and thicken this up. Just little parts of it. So some parts will still be thin. There. And then another little part to finish our heart. So I'll come up right here. And just tuck it in as well. And so once again, just thicken some parts up. There. So kind of like a heart. Hopefully it looks like steam, like I said. And you have a little line right here. Okay, so then let's write the word Dad in here and say about right here. Just gonna write big capital D and then an A and another D, a baby D. There, and now I'll come in here and thicken everything up just to spruce it up. So there, that is pretty much it for this cup of coffee for Dad to celebrate Father's Day. I really hope you love this cup of coffee just as much as the one I did many, many years ago, and that inspires you to draw it, and that I inspired you to draw it fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.